Wow! So the package finally came in so that I can wink the headlights on my Miata from my phone because, I don't know why, because I'm a Miata guy and I make irrational decisions, so let's do it. So this is like really straightforward. All you've got to do is you just have the box that you mount somewhere in the engine bay, and then you've got your two harnesses and each one is just going to interrupt your headlight motor. This should take like 5 minutes to put in.
Amazing!
Huh. Time to read instructions, I guess.
I like how this headlight is...
Yeah, it's
actually partially open. This is actually the sleepy eye. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, this one actually just moved. This is a very sleepy eye.
Okay, it says... Okay, now I have to press... We're just gonna check all the connections. Oh.
Okay, we got it up and working, we think. Nice!
This is like some fucking Morse code shit. Alright, so it's all measured in cycles. So one cycle is clicking the button on and off. So to get a single wink, you click it through 2 cycles. So that'll be 4 times. If you want both to wink, you go 3 cycles. So 6 clicks. And then if you want it to wink back forth twice, it's 4 cycles. So for lazy eye, you click it on, off, off. Not that, you just click it 3 times. Cycle and a half. To adjust your sleepy eye, you do 7 cycles. And they'll go to sleepy eye, and then each time you click a cycle, it'll raise it up a little bit. So, and once you pick the height that you like for your sleepy eye, then you click it 2 cycles. And that'll save your sleepy eye setting. So this is definitely a useless mod.
Useless.
Like completely useless.
You do not need it.
I misread it on the website. I thought the app was done for it so I can do it from my phone.
It's not done.
It only works on Androids right now.
You misread it.
Who uses Androids?
Nobody does.
MX5 Tech, get the app going. I need this. Because I want to use this at car shows, meetups, parking lots. Like, that's why I bought it. So it was 150 bucks Canadian after all expenses. Came from Europe, week and a half shipping.
Pretty quick.
Pretty quick. Going over the big lake, that's not bad. Some stuff from the States takes a long time to get through customs, so.
Big lake.
Subscribe to the channel. We've been filming everything on the build series on this car for a whole year. It's like minus 30 in Canada right now.
You don't even know what engine is in this car. You probably saw it in the video actually, but we didn't talk about it. It's bananas.
It's bananas. This car crazy. She chonks really fast. So we have everything in depth on this. We're waiting to get some burnout shots once the Great White North melts up here. So in the next month or 2, there's gonna be a whole bunch of stuff coming out on it. You're gonna love it.
So subscribe and like and comment and
yeah, be involved. We like to hear from you guys.